Got a new quick release head. That's what that print head looks like. Get it out of view a little bit. You can buy them on Amazon. They're like 20, 25 bucks. Sometimes they're on sale for cheaper. This bracket is what I printed. It just goes in there like that. And then that's it. I also have one for the diamond extruder and a laser cutter. So that's how easy it is to change the print head. And then they come with a connector like that. View like that. And I just use a stretchy cable for an amp to connect it.